This lecture I'm going to discuss how to find cube root of a perfect cube numbers, right? Now to find cube root of a number, it is very important to understand what is the cube of a number. First I'm taking some cubes of the numbers, we'll observe it based on that one. So how to find cube root of a number by using estimation method, right? We'll see that. So we know that cube of a number, cube is nothing but what ma? Number multiplied by itself how many times? 3 times. Clear, no? So a cube means what ma? A into a only. Suppose I'm taking one cube, 1 into 1 into 1 will get 1. So I'm taking 2 cube value, 2 into 2 into 2 will get 8. So suppose I'm taking 3 cube value, 3 into 3 into 3 will get 27. So 4 cube value, 4 into 4 into 4 will get 64, and 5 q value will get 125, 6 q value 216, 7 q value 343, 8 q value how much ma? 512, 9 cube equal to how much? 729, and 10 cube equal to how much? Will get 1000. Right? Suppose I'm taking 9 cube, right? 9 cube equal to how much here? So 729. Now what is the cube root of 729 here? Cube root of 729, we are getting a 9 only. Now we are observing here, so maximum number contains what ma? So 3 digits here, they are giving only its cube root value, giving only single digit down, right? So with this particular observation we'll estimate the cube root of a number. Now before going to that particular thing, now again we are observing here. So if you take these numbers, cubes of these numbers, if number ends with 1, its cube root value how much ma? Here ends with 1, right? If number ends with 8 value, its cube root value ends with 2. If number ends with 7, its cube root value ends with 3. If number ends with 4, its cube root value how much ma? Here ends with 4 only. If number ends with 5, its cube root value ends with 5. 6 case 6 on, but 3 case what ma? Here it ends with 7. 2 case it ends with 8. 9 case it ends with 9. 0 case it ends with 0, right? Same observation we are writing here. Number or perfect cube number ends with, right? So 3 multiple number of zeros. So 3 multiple number of 0, 3 zeros, 6 zeros, like that, right? So if number ends with 0 indirectly, its cube root value ends with 0, right? Ends in 0. If number ends with 1, its cube root also what ma? Here ends with 1, right? If number ends in 4, its cube root also what ma? Here ends with 4. If number ends in 5, its cube root value also what ma? Here ends in 5. If number ends in 6 case, right? Its cube root also ends with 6, right? If number ends with 9 case, its cube root also what ma? Here ends with 9. These are digits case, so we are getting same thing as it is on, right? But here I'm taking if number ends in 2, its cube root value not in ends in 2, its cube root value ends in 8 on, right? If number ends in 3, its cube root value how much ma? Here ends in 7 on, right? It is a complement for 3. If number ends in 7, its cube root value how much ma? Here ends in 3. If number ends in 8 value, its cube root value how much ma? Ends in 2, right? In this way we can write unit digit of that particular number when it is a perfect cube, right? Now I'm taking some example to make. So once after completion of that particular thing, how to find cube root of a number we'll see here, right? To find cube root of 2744, mark bar on what ma? 3 numbers from right to left on, right? Right to left we can fill it. Now this contains only 2 bars only. Your result is what ma? 2 digit number on, right? So how to find unit place of this number? If number ends with 4, its cube root also ends with 4 only. We know that, right? It definitely number ends with what ma? Ends in 4 only, right? Now how to get leftmost part of a number? Tell me the cube of a number which is very closer to 2, less than or equal to 2, right? So I can write 1 cube only, not 2 cube value, right? That means so definitely your number is what ma? Here ends with what ma? Leftmost part is what ma? Here 1 on, right? So we can write like that. And similarly see this one, cube root of 15,625. How to calculate it, right? So mark bar on 3 numbers. So from right to left, Now it contains only 2 bars. Your result contains what ma? So 2-digit number only. Cube root of this number is a 2-digit number. Now I'm calculating cube root of this number. So I'm calculating unit place of this particular number. If number ends in 5, its cube root must be ends with a 5 on, right? We know that, right? Now I'm taking leftmost part of the number. Tell me the cube of a number which is closer to 15, less than or equal to 15, right? So I can write 2 cube only. Cube root of 2 cube equal to how much ma? Will get 2 only. Your result is what ma? 25 only. And similarly here number cube root of 1728, right? 1728 only. And here also same thing. Mark bar on 3 numbers from right to left on, right? Right to left. Now it contains 2 bars only. Your result is what ma? 2-digit number only. Now I need what ma? Unit place of this particular number. If number ends with 8, its cube root value how much ma? Here ends with not 8, its complement value 2 on, right? Now because of this unit digit calculation, the numbers which are under first bar already cancelled it out. It is the meaning of it, right? Now 1 is there. So tell me the cube of a number which is very closer to 1 and less than or equal to 1. I can write 1 cube only. Now cube root of 1 cube is equal to how much ma? Will get 1 only. Your result is what ma? 12 only. And cube root of 1728 equal to how much ma? Will get 12 only. In that way we can calculate. And see this one also. Find cube root of this number, right? So 8,04,357 number. Mark bar on 3 numbers from right to left on, right? Now what will get ma? Here it contains 2 bars only. Your answer is what ma? 2-digit number on, right? Now how to find unit place of a number? If number ends in 7, it is a perfect cube. So its unit place definitely ends with what ma? Its complement value, 3 we can get it. Now because of this unit digit calculation, we are discarding what ma? These 3 digits on. These 3 digits completed now, right? And now we need to find leftmost part of this particular number. Tell me the cube of a number which is closer to 804 less than or equal to 804 also, right? Suppose if I am taking 8 cube, it is a 512. So 8 cube value, 9 cube equal to 729, and 9 cube equal to 729, 10 cube equal to 1000. It lies between 9 cube to 10 cube. So definitely your answer what ma? Start with what ma? Leftmost part is what ma? 9 on, right? So cube root of this number value 8,04,357 value how much ma? 93 on, right? We can calculate it in this way on. And take one more number. Find cube root of 6,859 on, right? Mark bar on 3 numbers from right to left, right? And here it contains a 2 bar. Your result is what ma? Is a 2-digit number on, right? Now see here ma? If number ends with 9, its cube root value how much ma? Definitely ends with 9 only. This is the estimation method. When it is a perfect cube, it is a 100% correct on, right? It is not perfect cube. So we'll see that type of things also in upcoming lectures, right? Now see this one. To find leftmost part of the number, find cube of a number which is very closer to 6 and less than or equal to 6 on, which is 1 cube only, not 2 cube. 2 cube is 8, which is more than 6, na? So definitely number starts with what ma? 1 on, right? Start with 1. Cube root of 6,859 equal to how much ma? So we'll get 19 on, right? And similarly I'm taking this number. So here also same thing. Cube root of 9,261 how much ma? So to calculate it by using estimation method, mark bar on 3 numbers from right to left on, right? Now it contains 2 bars, so that your answer is what ma? 2-digit number on, right? Now number ends with 1. When it is a perfect cube, definitely its cube root also ends with 1 on, right? This part is completed, the 3 digits. Now we are discarding here, right? Now we are looking next bar number 9, right? So tell me the cube of a number which is very closer to 9 and less than or equal to 9, right? 2 cube only. 2 cube, right? Cube root of 2 cube equal to how much ma? 2 only. Definitely cube root of 9,261 value how much ma? Will get a 21 on, right? In this fashion we can find cube root of any number when it is a perfect cube, right? Now here also same thing. So mark bar on 3 numbers from right to left on, right? It contains 2 bars, so that your result is what ma? 2-digit number on, right? Now how to estimate it here? If number ends in what ma? 5, its cube root value definitely ends in 5 on, right? this is completed. Now we are looking here, right? Now these 3 digits we are discarding because of unit digit calculation. Now 3 is there. Tell me the cube of a number which is closer to 3, less than or equal to 3. 1 cube on that. So cube root of 1 cube is 1 only. Definitely your answer is what must starts with 1, right? So 15 is the result when it is the perfect cube on that. And similarly see here also cube root of 4096 on. Mark bar on 3 numbers from right to left on that. Now so your answer is what ma 2 digit number. Why it contains a 2 bars only, na? Answer is a 2 digit number only. Now number ends with 6. It cube root also ends with 6 only, so that this 3 digits I'm cancelling, right? So 6 we calculated, right? To find leftmost part of the number, now tell me the cube of a number which is closer to 4, less than or equal to 4, right? So 1 cube only, cube root of 1 cube equal to 1 only. Definitely your number starts with 1 only. If when it is a perfect cube, then only unit digit is correct, right? When it is not perfect cube also, your leftmost part answer is a correct one, right? So now this is a technique to calculate cube root of a number. And see next one, cube root of 5832 I want to calculate. Mark bar on 3 numbers from right to left on, right? It contains what ma here 2 bars. Your answer is what ma 2 digit number on, right? Here also same thing. If number ends in 2, its cube root value definitely what ma ends in its complement value 8, right? Now these are 3 digits discarded now, na? Now I need to find number starts with which number, right? Now under other bar what number is it that I am taking here. Tell me the cube of a number which is closer to 5, less than or equal to 5. 1 cube on. So definitely 100% your number starts with what 1 only. So when it is a perfect cube, unit place is a will get correct, right? When it is not perfect cube also, so tens place value is 100% correct on, right? In this way we can calculate the cube root of a number. When numbers are bigger also we can use the same technique, but we need to learn numbers up to 10, right? Now here also mark bar on what ma 3 numbers from right to left on. It contains a 2 bars. Your answer is what ma definitely contains what ma contains a 2 digit number. Your number is what ma result is what 2 digit number. Now how to find rightmost part of the number? If number is a perfect cube, it ends with 9. It's a cube root also definitely 100% ends with 9 on, right? Now these are 3 digits I cancelled it out, right? Now tell me the number whose cube value how much ma less than or equal to this number, right? So I can take a 9 cube. 9 cube equal to how much ma 729. If I take a 10 cube value, we'll get 1000. It is more than 970, na? 10 cube we can't start with. It start with what ma 9 on. This result is what ma 99 on, right?